Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is Adobe Photoshop. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Adobe Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop is a graphics editing software developed and published by Adobe Incorporated. It is used by designers, photographers, and digital artists to create and manipulate images as well as for image editing, retouching, and enhancement. Photoshop offers a wide range of tools and features including layers, masks, filters, and effects to create and modify digital images. It is one of the most popular image editing software in the world and is widely used in various industries such as graphic design, advertising, web design, and photography. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on what is Adobe Photoshop. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.